In 1675, the King of England ordered every coffeehouse in the country permanently destroyed. But just 11 days later, he completely surrendered. How did a hot drink defeat a king? The crown didn't care about the caffeine. They were terrified of the conversation. For 1 penny, anyone could buy a cup and grab a seat. At these so-called penny universities, a lowly shoemaker could openly debate state politics right next to an aristocrat. These fast-moving rumor networks terrified King Charles II. Still haunted by a recent civil war, he feared this uncontrolled political gossip was a threat to his throne. So he issued a royal proclamation: all coffeehouses must shut their doors forever. But the king made a fatal miscalculation. Because the cafes served everyone, his ban accidentally united a massive cross-class coalition against him. Even his own royal ministers were addicted to their coffeehouse routines and quietly revolted. Facing impossible enforcement logistics and massive public outrage, the king blinked. 2 days before the deadline, he quietly revoked the order. And those defiant coffeehouses didn't just survive. They evolved into foundational global institutions like Lloyd's of London and the London Stock Exchange.